Governor Gavin Newsom, the best governors in the country. California, I'm not sure you know it, but if you didn't know it, you should. Fascinating his state. Meanwhile, for these Republican governors, it isn't about public health, about the health of the people. It's about politics. In Mississippi, children are required to be vaccinated against measles, mumps, rubella, chickenpox, hepatitis B, polio, tetanus, and more. It's a state requirement. But now, in the midst of this pandemic that has taken over 650,000 lives, look, folks, we don't need politics in this battle against COVID. We need science. We need courage. We need leadership. We need Gavin Newsom. A governor who follows science, who's got the courage to do what's right, and who'll lead, and I apologize for coughing. That's what the science tells us. We have to beat the Delta variant of COVID-19. Gavin will be a governor who will help us finish the job. Folks,